Open house at 1005 Teegan Drive, Normal, Illinois. We're in Savannah Green subdivision. I'll give you a full circle of the area here. You can see this is a nice little neighborhood. Nice, quiet little neighborhood. Got some people working on a car over there or something. People out with their dogs, whatnot. Got a flag flying over there. We got an open house right here at 1005 Teegan. 1005 Teegan is a 3+1 basement bedroom, 2 full bath house. And let's just go ahead and check it out. In through the front door we shall go. All right, and once we get in the front door, we are in an area, a living room area, a family gathering space, a community room, whatever you want to call it, people. I'm not here to tell you how to live your life. You see some nice big windows there, front door. We got a little coat closet over here. Then we have some stairs going to the basement there. We'll get to that in a minute. Moving back towards the back of the house, we can see the kitchen. I'll give you a spin back over there. We got the bedroom area there. So to give you a full layout of the house, we'll move on to the kitchen first, all right? Kitchen is decent size. It's not real big, but plenty of room to do what you need to do. Refrigerator looks decent. I would definitely flip these doors around and have the handles on the other side if it were me. It just seems like it would be a lot more accessible. We got some shelves here. And your appliances look decent. They're not brand new, but they don't look like they've even been used a whole lot. They have plenty of life left in them, and they look good. They're black in that brushed nickel look with the black cabinets, white window treatings, white backsplash. Looks good. All right. Let's move back towards the bedroom area. And right here we have laundry hookups. You've got gas. Pretty much a gas dryer, and then you have your electric for your washer there. I think most gas dryers are going to need 220. I don't think that's going to work. So gas. Don't quote me on that though. All right, bedroom number one. Bedroom number one is a decent size. I'm going to say it's about 11 by 12 with a big window there. Give you a full spin. Looks like it could use some paint. All right. Bedroom number two upstairs. Got the pink wall, the pink accent wall. About the same size. I'm gonna say it's about 11 by 12. Give you a full spin there. And you got the glass mirror. And there's your realtor right there. All right. All right, moving back towards the front of the house now. We have got a linen closet here. Probably John linen closet. That was done. All right, and a full bath. Sink, toilet, shower, tub, and there's your realtor. All right, master bedroom, back towards the front of the house. This one's, I don't know, probably about 12 by 14. You can look right out the front window here. That's where we came, and I'll give you a full spin. Say that's a midnight blue accent wall. It probably looks dark on the camera, but it's more midnight blue to me. Full spin, you got the mirrored closet doors there, and there's your realtor. All right, let's go check out the basement in this bad boy. This is 1005 Teegan, listed at $205,000, courtesy of the Jewett Home Selling Team at Keller Williams Revolution. Hit us up. If you can't make it out to my open house, hit me up for a private showing. I'll get back out here and show you this bad boy anyway. All right, I'm going to stand here for a minute and look both ways because it's a little bit of a weird setup. Here is our main family/gathering space. We'll get back to that in a minute, but we're going to go back around this way and we'll wrap around to that side if that makes sense. All right. All right. Furnace, looks like it's probably original with the house, in my opinion. Hot water heater, it doesn't look as old. It's probably been replaced at some point, but I don't know. All right, bedroom number 4, the basement bedroom with your electrical box there. All done up to code. Closet there. Egress, so you can get out if there's a fire. Bedroom number 4, fourth bedroom. All right. Technically not a bedroom, but a spare room, an extra room, but it's got a closet. It's big enough for a bed. You just can't call it a bedroom because there's no egress. But if there were a fire and you couldn't get upstairs, you would have to go this way and get out that way. I mean, if there's a fire, you're getting out that window, right? You're not going to stay down here and burn her. That's not an option. Get out of there, people. Get out of there. All right. All right. Back around that we wrapped around, I told you we're going to end up in the main gathering space here. All right. Now, This is, gas line comes in and it's used for some extra storage and the light doesn't work. So that's about as good as I can get you. But it actually looks pretty good on the iPhone. All right. Back up this way. Looks like we've got 2 sump pumps. I don't know what else that could be. But yeah. Okay. I don't know. And then bathroom number 2, full bath, stand-up shower, commode, sink. There's your realtor. All right. 205 Teegan is in North Normal, Savannah Green subdivision. I am out here 11 to 12:30 today, which is Saturday, April 15th, tax day. I think, unless they made it Monday, I don't know. If you can't make it out here, hit me up for a private showing. I'd love to get back out here and show you. The only thing we have left to look at is the backyard and the garage, and we're going to do that now. This house is listed at $205,000, courtesy of the Jewett Home Selling Team at Keller Williams Revolution. I'm MJ Adelman. Let's go out back. Backyard is not huge, but you don't have a lot to mow. And you've got a 2-car garage here that's connected to a private drive back here that is just yours and the neighbors. All right, so here's your 2-car garage. Here's your private drive. I'll give you a full spin. So cute little house here at 1005 Teegan, listed at $205,000. 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs, 2 full baths. Listed at $205,000, courtesy of the Jewett Home Selling Team at Keller Williams Revolution. I'm MJ Adelman. I'm Bloomington Normal's premier realtor for the Jewett Home Selling Team at Keller Williams Revolution, and I want to be your realtor. And I will out hustle everybody all day, every day, and then double up on Sunday to prove it. Peace out.